Short vowel. A says a like apple. A, a, a. And long vowel. A says A like gate. A, a, a. B says B like ball. B, b, b. C says K like cat. K, k, k. D says D like dog. D, d, d. Short vowel. E says E like egg. E, e, e. And long vowel. E says E like Pete. E, e, e. F says F like fish. F, f, f. G says G like goat. G, g, g. H says H like house. H, h, h. Short vowel. I says I like igloo. I, I, I. And long vowel. I says I like bike. I, I. J says J like jump rope. J, j, j. K says K like kite. K, k, k. L says L like leaf. L, L, L. N says like magnet. N says like nest. Short vowel. O says like ostrich. Ah. And long vowel. O says O like rope. O, O, O. P says P like pumpkin. P, p, p. Q says Qu like queen. Qu, qu, qu. R says like rabbit. S says S like sun. S, s, s. T says T like tiger. T, t, t. Short vowel. U says like umbrella. And long vowel. U says U like mule. U. V says V like vest. V. W says W like watch. W. X says X like x-ray. X. Y says Y like yo-yo. Y. Z says Z like zebra. Z.